Hello YouTubers, Celtic Ghost here today. I want to show you another game I've been playing called Crazy Onet. I've been playing it for like forever and I have reached all of the payouts. As you see, it's processing for 300 and when you click it, it says it's already went through the process several times, and if it doesn't pay you can try to connect to human services. And they promise that they'll help you right away, but every time I try to connect, see payment failed, delivery again. You try to get to the human service. I've never reached human services. That is on the PayPal side of this. If delivery fails 3 times, please contact human services. And let's see, I'm also set up for the Amazon cards. Human services. Try again. So much time. You never do reach them. Well, I haven't. Perhaps you will have better luck than I have when you play this. But I've also did all the things to receive the iPhone. But let me tell you, I've been playing this for months and months and months, and I have never ever reached human services or gotten a payout. But I actually keep this game because I enjoy it. You just think of all the games that we played over the years where we never got paid anything for. This is one game that I will keep even if they don't pay me, because it's relaxing. I really enjoy it. And I'll let you know if I ever do reach payout. For the meantime, thank you for watching. If you like what you're seeing and you'd like to see more, please click the like and subscribe button at the bottom of this video. I'll be adding more videos as I make them. Thank you for watching, YouTubers. Have a great afternoon.